What's going on, Postcard Pros? Today's Postcard Teardown of SpoonRocket's card is sponsored by the mountains of Oregon. A great place to escape. Let's dive in. Switch over to the front side here. There's a lot to love about this postcard. SpoonRocket, great imagery here. Looks like a delicious chicken. Lightning fast 10-minute food delivery. Perfect. It perfectly described what the hell they do. It could be a little bit bigger, but I like the fact that 10 minutes is big. That's the hook here. You got my attention. I think this is great. The one thing that they could have done a little bit better here is put the 50% off and maybe bigger, put it on the left-hand side. Limited time only, specify a time. And you might even have, instead of Seattle 50, you might even say July, like expires July 15th. Make people type in the expiration date as the coupon code. But overall, lots of good stuff to copy here. Great imagery, a clear offer. I like the balance on the top left and top right. I might have made it bigger on the bottom left, but overall, you would do great to copy this postcard. Let's look at the back. There's no clear call to action here. You don't repeat the offer, which they should. They should repeat the offer with the timeline, the expiration date, 50% off. There should be a QR code so I can scan it and get to the app, or a phone number that I can text and get the link. What do I search for? Oh, like, okay, SpoonRocket. It's just, people are lazy. You need to make it way easier. Also, the imagery here should be changed a little bit. I've never seen a carrot that's bigger than a steak, and that disconnected finger on step 3 is a little creepy. And they could make it just 3 steps, right? Order in our app, choose from select healthy meals, enjoy the most convenient meal ever. There's, we don't need to tell me that I need to meet them at the curb. Like, I get it. I got to get the food somehow. So I do like how it works. Keep it 1, 2, 3, and then just repeat your offer here. They also don't need all this crap at the bottom. If there's local restaurants, just say, delivering from 36 restaurants within 0.5 miles of 123 Main Street where I am. That's what they should do. So overall, pretty good postcard. Have a clear call to action. They need to improve that. Have a clear expiration date. Repeat the call to action. Have multiple ways to redeem the call to action. This is really important. Call, text, download the app, scan the QR code, right? Some people are going to use some calls to action. Other people will use other types of call to actions, and that's really important. Congratulations. You've just learned a little bit more about postcard design.